Hi, welcome to my video on rearranging exponential form. The exponential form can be written down a couple of ways as this b to the m over n, but I can also written down as b to the m times 1 over n as a power, or b to the 1 over n times m. And why that is, because when you multiply bases, like say x squared, let's say you have a 6 here. So you could have, that's a 2 times 3. So that could become 2 to the x raised to the third power. So 6 is 2 times 3, and so the powers could be a power of a power. So that's what they're doing here. So this is n, m over n, could be written as m times 1 over m, or vice versa. You can put the m inside and 1 over m outside, or you can put the 1 over n inside and the m outside. So if you multiply these powers here, you will get this. If you multiply these powers, you will get this, because it's m times 1 over n. So x to the 6 is x cubed. 6 is 2 times 3, so that's x cubed, like that. Or x to the 6 could be x times 2 times 3, so it's x squared. So if 6 is 3 times 2, then you can leave the 3 in with the 2 power outside. Or 6 is 2 times 3, you get x squared. So you're just rearranging it, just trying to show you this in relation to some good integers that you can easily see. So 3 to the 21 is the same as 3 to the 3 times 7. So that's 3 cubed to the 7. Or 3 to the 21 is also 3 to the 7 times 3, which is 3 to the 7 cubed. This is, again, a power of a power. You just multiply. 7 times 3 gives you the 21. 3 times 7 gives you 21. So you can go 3 cubed to the power of 7, or you can go 3 to the 7 cubed. So rearranging, just another way to write these down in case you might need it in some problem that you need. So we have x cubed to the 1/2, or we could have x to the that's x squared to the 1/3. The fraction is 1 over 3. That's 2 times 1/3, because 3 is in the bottom. So that's 1/3 squared. 2 to the 3/4 is 2 to the 3 to the 1/4 power, or you can get 2 to the 1/4 cube power, either or. And 5 to the 7 over 2 is 5 to the 7 to the 1/2, or you could have 5 to the 1/2 power to the 7 power. So 5 to the 1/2 to the 7 power, either or. And 3 to the 4/5 is the same as 3 to the 4 to the 1/5, or we can have 3 to the 1/5 to the 4th. So again, 4 times 1/5 is 4/5. 1/5 times 4 is 4/5. And the last one right here, we have 11 and 6 power. And notice it's 6 over 7 is the same as 1 over 7. So it's 11 to the 1/7. And if we have a radical form can be rearranged like this. That's x to the 9 over 4, because your root goes at the bottom. So that's x to the 9 to the 1/4, or we can have x to the 1/4 power to the 9th power. And the fifth root of 2 squared is 2 to the 2 over 5. Again, the root goes to the denominator, 2/5. And so that becomes 2 squared to the 1/5, or you can have 2 to the 1/5 squared. So 2 times 1/5 is 2/5. 1/5 times 2 is 2/5. And we have the cube root of 81. So we need a power, so some 81. 81 is 9 times 9, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 81 could be 3 to the 4th. So we have 3 to the 4th, so that makes it 3 to the 4 over 3. So we have 3 to the 4th to the 1/3, or we have 3 to the 1/3 to the 4th. So notice I could have left 81 there and had a 1 power, but I put 81 in. So you should always express this radicand here in what we call prime factorization. So 3 to the 4th is better, more useful. You will see later on why 3 to the 4th will be better than just the 81. And that's another way to rearrange the power into a product of a fraction and a number. If you like my video, click on the like button, subscribe button, the notification bell, and visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content of my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained. Thank you for viewing my video. Bye-bye.